Hey there, welcome to Tech Talk with me, Kazim. Today I'm going to be talking to you on DevOps and Azure DevOps. But before we do, let's rewind a bit. Before the era of DevOps, the software development landscape was quite different. We had software developers who are responsible for coding, and on the other hand, we had SysOps professionals who are responsible for managing servers. Now let's imagine a scenario. A developer writes code and pushes it to a server from a platform like GitHub. But let's assume there's a glitch. The application doesn't quite work as expected. The server administrator playing the SysOps role might claim that the server is running just fine, while on the other hand, the developer can also insist that the application is working perfectly well on their local machine. In situations like this, figuring out who is responsible for the problem can be a real challenge. And this is precisely why DevOps came into existence, to tackle this kind of problems. DevOps bridges the gap between developers and system administrators by automating processes and ensuring consistent performance. Now let's talk a bit about Azure DevOps. In simple terms, Azure DevOps is your go-to resource for planning, creating, testing, and delivering softwares. Inside Azure DevOps, you're going to find features like task tracking, code storage and sharing, automation of code deployment, and so much more. It's like having everything that you need at your fingertips. But there's a crucial point to remember here. If you're a DevOps engineer, remember that your role isn't just that of an application developer. Your mission is to ensure seamless collaboration between these two groups by automating the software development lifecycle. And there you have it. DevOps and Azure DevOps is all about teamwork, automation, and making the software development process smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content just like this one. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Talk with Kazim. Until next time, happy coding.